Okay, today we are going to provide a video of chapter 8 food class 3 EVS. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given in this chapter. Okay, here in this chapter food, you know about food. It is essential for our basic necessities of life. Food is one of the basic necessities of life. Note this thing. Here I want to share something different. You should take a balanced diet. What are the reasons? Because in a balanced diet all types of nutrients are present. Here food is one of the basic necessities of life. Living things need food to live, grow and remain healthy. Food gives us energy to do work. We have already learned in class 2 that we get our food from plants and animals. We eat food to live and grow. GROW, grow. Flour is obtained from grains of wheat plant. GRAINS. Help box is also given. You may write from this help box. Peanuts and almond are used as dry fruits in winters. Cheese and curd are two milk products. Chintu likes to eat fish. He is a non-vegetarian. Okay, try to understand all these things. Plants and animals provide us food in various forms. Here let us discuss food from plants. There are many types of plants on the earth. They provide us many forms of food material. Some of the foods are eaten raw and some are cooked before eating. We eat different parts of different plants. We eat seeds and fruits of some plants and roots, stems or leaves of the other plants. Seeds. You know about seed. The seeds of some plants like wheat and rice are part of our daily food. Flour. Many of us like to eat chapatis and bread daily. These are made from wheat flour. Wheat flour is obtained by grinding the seeds of wheat grains. Dalia, suji and maida are also obtained from seeds of wheat. We also eat rice or maize grains, which are the seeds of their respective plants. These are sometimes ground to make their flour. Dojaj and idlis are prepared from a paste of ground rice and dal. We eat cereals like wheat, rice and corn as they give us energy to do work. Pulses you may see in this figure wheat plant. Pulses, dal that we often take in lunch and dinner, is made up of seeds of particular plants. Such seeds are boiled and some spices are added to them before eating them. Pulses like dal, peas and gram should be added to our meals as they help us to grow. Nuts, you know, here nuts are given. We often enjoy munching nuts like peanuts, walnuts, cashew nuts and almonds. These are seeds which are generally eaten raw. Nuts can provide a lot of energy to us and keep our body warm. During winter season, we use different type of nuts. It is used in winter season especially. Leaves, we eat leaves of different plants. Leaves of spinach, fenugreek, cabbage and mustard are cooked before eating. These are called green vegetables and are good for our health. They protect us from disease. Here, important of these leaves are they protect us from diseases. Leaves of coriander, mint and curry plant are used for garnishing and flavoring our food. Coriander leaf, mint leaves, curry leaves you may observe here. Stem. Potato is a very common food used all over the world. It is nothing but the underground stem of its plants. Other stems which are often eaten are onion, ginger and a stem of lotus, kamal kakri. Roots. The roots of some plants are used as food. These roots can be eaten raw or cooked. You must have eaten carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. All these are roots of their plants. Here carrot, radish, turnip. Fruits. Fruits keep us fit and healthy. They protect us from disease. They protect us from diseases, you know. We all like to eat fruits. Sweets and juicy fruits like mangoes, orange, grapes, muskmelons and watermelons are eaten raw. Some fruits are cooked and eaten as vegetables. Brinjal, ladyfinger and tomato are some such fruits. Tomatoes are eaten raw as well as cooked. Okay, try to understand, you know. In roughage you use tomato. Food from animals. Plants cannot always fulfill all the needs of all the people in the world. Many people and animal products like milk, eggs and meat and fish to the food that they eat. Milk of some animals like cow, buffalo and goat is taken by people all over the world. Here answer of E1. Milk to us. Milk is a very good source of nutrients for one and all. You know, it is especially important for growing children. Milk products like curd, cheese, ice cream, kheer, etc. are liked by most of us. In class 2, you know, you have to write answer of this question. Write 5 products which is used for making milk. You know this thing. Eggs of poultry birds like hen, goose and duck are eaten by many people. Fish as well as the meat of some animals is taken by many people. Milk is considered to be a complete food. It helps us to grow, give us energy and protect us from disease. Anyone will ask that which is the considered to be a good complete food? That is milk. Okay, try to give answer. What is the answer of this question? That is milk. Note one thing is here, very important thing. It is always better to remain vegetarian. Okay. Vegetarian means what? Vegetarian means that living things especially men which do not eat meat. Okay. Food needs. Different people need and eat different amounts of food. The type of food they eat also varies. The amount of food consumed people depends upon age, occupation, physical activity and gender of a person. People who do hard physical labor often need to eat more chapatis and rice as compared to those who do their work while sitting in an office. Food and age. From birth till about 4 months of age, small babies take milk only. Milk is able to fulfill their body needs. When a child is nearly 6 months of age, she is given soft pieces of fruit and semi-solid foods. The child continues to take milk also. Growing children and young persons need to eat proper amounts of a balanced diet. This diet can include rice, vegetables, chapatis, dal, dosa, idli, utpam, sambar, fruits, nuts, milk and milk products. Sometimes we eat too much. This is called overeating and can make us fat or obese. A fat person generally not a very active or a healthy person. Okay. We should also drink proper amount of water along with a good diet. In old age, people prefer easily digestible simple food. Keywords here given. You may read this thing. Now question answer time. Here in this question, fill in the blanks. Nuts, N-U-T-S. Flavor, F-L-A-V-O-U-R. Ladyfinger. Underground, root, CAEBD. CBD, D and here also D. Okay, try to write answer in book. Here also answer the following question in brief. Answer the following questions in brief. Try to pause the video and write answer. Okay. Here I have provided value-based questions. Answer kind and careful. K-I-N-D, kind and careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Here also share the milk, share the lunch, sharing old clothes to the poor, P-O-O-R, poor. Old clothes and old books. Okay. Now question answer. I have written question answer of E. I have provided this thing. Try to write answer. Pause the video and try to write. Okay. I hope you will write because I have already discussed all these things in while I was taking your oral test. You know this thing that sir has told that all have to make their copy. Okay, here I have written question answer chapter 8 food, class 3 EVS chapter 8 food. Here milk is a very good source of nutrients for one and all. It is especially important for growing children. Milk products like curd, cheese, ice cream, kheer, etc. are liked by most of us. Green vegetables and fruits protect us from disease, so green vegetables and fruits are important for us. In old age people prefer easily digestible food. Okay, these are the answers. Try to write in your copy. Whenever copy will be baked by our school, then you will be provided. Okay, I hope you will write question answer. In a case of any problem, you may contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.